Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to group your Outlook emails by conversation in just a few minutes. This is an excellent strategy for keeping your inbox tidy and ensuring you never overlook vital messages within a thread. By organizing emails this way, you can see your communications in a logical sequence, making it much simpler to follow the flow of any discussion. Begin by logging into your Outlook account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Outlook sign-in page. Click the Sign In button and enter your email address and password. If you have two-step verification active, complete that process to securely access your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your inbox by clicking the mail icon or link to see your list of messages. This is where we will begin the reorganization process. To group your emails, look at the top menu bar of the Outlook interface and click on the View tab. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Messages option. While this seems like a small detail, it is a necessary step to enable the correct settings for conversation threads. Next, click on the Conversations option located nearby to start merging your email threads. This allows your messages to be bundled together based on their subject lines. The final step is to activate the grouping feature. After selecting Conversations, click the specific option to group into Conversations. Your inbox is now organized into threads, which is especially helpful if you manage a high volume of mail or complex discussions spanning several weeks. If you ever find it difficult to adjust, you can easily revert to the standard view by returning to the View settings and selecting the Messages option again. Managing your inbox effectively saves significant time and prevents you from missing important updates in a cluttered environment. It is also helpful to occasionally prune unnecessary emails from these threads to keep everything organized. Feel free to explore other view options Microsoft provides to enhance your productivity. That concludes the process of grouping emails by conversation in Outlook. If you found this tutorial useful, please subscribe for more digital tool tips. Thank you for watching and enjoy your organized inbox.